This is the beginner drugstore eyeshadow look we're going to be creating today. I'm starting out with the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Concealer, applying that to my lid and blending it out with a sponge. Next, I'm taking the Hard Candy Moods PURR palette and I'm dipping into this brown shade with a Wet n Wild blending brush. It looks like this. And I'm applying that to the outer 1/3 of my eye and then blending it up and outwards, following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then blending out the edges. I'm just trying to fade out the edges so there's a soft, seamless blend. I'm taking it about 50% of the distance between my crease and my brow, just using a light hand on the edges, and then I'm keeping that triangle type shape in the outer corner, following that lower lash line upwards, and then sweeping it a little bit inwards above the crease with the excess remaining shadow, just blending out all the edges till it's soft. Next, dipping into a little bit more product, I'm using the tip of the brush to apply it a little bit to the lower lash line, bringing it about halfway across. Just making sure that bottom edge is soft and blended out as well, using little side-to-side motions. I'm next dipping into the lightest shimmering color and using the side of the same brush and sweeping that onto the remainder of my lid, using little feathering motions, blending it into that previous brown that we just applied and sweeping it towards the inner corner and up above the crease, just using a light hand on the edges. Again, keeping it about 50% of the distance between the bottom of my brow and my crease, just blending it upwards. Next, with the darker brown in the palette, I'm using the same brush and applying this darker color with just the tip of the bristles into the outer corner, keeping it lower than the previous brown that we applied, but blending it upwards and sweeping it into the shimmering color as well on the center of the lid here, like so, using little side-to-side motions, being sure to maintain that V shape in the outer corner as well, just adding a little bit of depth to the outer corner of the look. Next, I'm using this brown longwear eyeliner from Hard Candy and mapping out my wing following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then I'm lining my lash line, keeping it thinner towards the inner corner and making it thicker as I make my way towards my outer corner. And at the end, I'm going to connect the wing, but for now I'm just kind of lining my lash line. I like to make sure I sharpen my pencil before I start a winged liner when I'm using a pencil liner, just to make sure it's as fine as possible. Next, I'm just kind of sloping my eyeliner downwards, keeping it below the crease of my eye like so, and then I'm filling in the shape, just adding depth and sharpening up all my lines. Next, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Diamond Mascara, applying a coat to my upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm going to use these Natural Light Doll Lashes from Ioni. I found these at the dollar store, and I'm using a little bit of Duo Lash Glue, letting the glue get tacky, and then applying them on with some Revlon tweezers. And then I'm going to use this eyelash curler from Revlon to gently squeeze the eyelashes and my natural lashes together. I'm not really curling them, I'm just kind of gently squeezing them together to combine the two. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And I listed all the products in the caption. Please note some of them are affiliate links, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!